See what it looks like back under here. So we welcome a new refrigerator.
Okay. We're set. All right.
Okay.
Officially. Mark, I need your help. Mark!
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 As usual, Mark may take a little while to get here.
I need your help pushing it in. Come on. There goes the mailman, Robert.
What?
Hand this to the mailman.
Wait till.
Here.
Go out there now.
Put it in the mailbox.
What?
Here.
What's it?
Just put it in the mailbox. Yeah. You don't have to. Just put it in the mailbox and I'll pick it up.
No, okay.
Put it in. Put up the flag.
Okay.
The
And
official
And a two.
cutting of the ribbon.
Whoa.
It slides.
Slides nice.
Woo!
Woo.
Thanks to my expert calculations, it actually fits.
Wow.
It's big.
What's it for?
Huge. Is there room in there? I guess so.
Are we going to open those doors on the left anymore?
Huh?
Can we open the doors on the left anymore? No, the drawer where the silverware is?
The silverware. Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
A little
Barely.
closer. Here.
Well,
Well, we may as well, Mark. Push it this way. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're more comfortable.
plenty of room.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
How about the other drawer? On the bottom?
It's fine.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Woo!
Have you
Does
tried
the left
You-
door? Does the left door open? Okay. Okay.
Ooh, got a beaut.
It came in a nasty rainstorm. See if we can see this out here. See, it's kind of nasty.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe how lighted it is, love. Look at that! Wow!
It was funny. I got the mail, and the mailman's like, "How would you like to be a mailman?" I said, "Not today." He's like, "Huh? Huh?" I'm like, "Probably when I'm older."
Wow!
He's like, "Then you'll have to get a good education." I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "Huh?"
We fit it in just right, love.